Good morning, students. Welcome to maths class. How are you? Hope you are fine and safe. So last class we completed second lesson, is it? So expanded form of rational numbers we learned, standard form of rational numbers we learned, is it? Today then usual form we learned how to convert standard form. We learned how to convert the standard form to usual form. Everything we learned, is it? So laws of exponents we learned. So 5 laws we learned, is it? So using the 5 laws we learned how to do some problems. All this we learned. Now today we are going to start lesson 3. So lesson 3 in our book, that is squares and square roots. Squares and square roots. Okay. So we are going to learn square of a number. Okay. Then square of an integer, square of rational numbers. Okay. So you all know what is the square of a number. Last year also I taught you. Say what is square of a number. Do you know what is the square of a number? If a number is obtained by multiplying a number itself. If a number, we are multiplying a number again one more time. That means say a number obtained by multiplying a number by itself. So that is 1 square, 1 into 1. So we multiply 1 again by itself. That is what is that is called square of a number. Okay. So a number that is obtained by multiplying, number obtained by multiplying a number itself is called square of a number. That is 1 square, that is 1 into 1. 1, 2 square, 2 into 2, that is 4. So this is square number, okay, a number, this is a number is obtained by multiplying a number itself. You say 4, you got 4 by multiplying 2 by itself. Again you multiply 2 by itself. 9 we got by multiplying 3 by itself. Okay. So what is square number? And square number is a number that is obtained by multiplying a number itself. So next, square of a negative integer. Square of a negative integer. So square of a negative integer, if you multiplying a negative number by itself, see minus 5 is a negative integer, set. So if you are multiplying minus 5 square of a negative integer, square of a negative integer. Integer means a number that have both positive as well as negative values. 6 plus 5 is also integer. But negative integer means if a number that is having minus value, that is minus 5 or minus 7 or maybe. So we are going to find out the square. We are going to learn what is to find out the square of a negative integer. So minus 5 is a negative integer. So minus 5 square. Minus 5 into minus 5. Can you tell me 5 5s are? You know. Say 5 5s are 25. Minus into minus. So whatever may be the square of a negative integer will be always a positive integer. Keep in mind square, whatever may be the number. So for example minus 11. That is minus 11 into minus 11. 11 11s are 120. Minus into minus plus. So minus 1 square or minus 13 square or minus 12 square or minus 15 square or whatever may be. Minus 25 square. Minus 25 square also. Minus 25 into minus 25. 25 into 25 is 6 and then 25 minus into minus. For example 7 square. Minus 7 square. Minus 7 into minus 7. Minus 7 7s are, see, minus 7 the whole square. That is minus 7 into minus 7. 7 7s are 49. Minus into minus plus. Okay. Square of a negative integer will also always be a positive integer. Okay. Next, square of a rational number. What is a rational number? We are learning about rational numbers. Okay. From the beginning itself, we are learning rational numbers. What is a rational number? Again and again, I am saying. I don't know how many of you know. What is a rational number? Number of the form p by q. So we are going to. Rational number means number of the form p by q. Said the number of the form p by q is called a rational number. Square of a rational number p by q the whole square. That is, which is equal to p square by. Square of a rational number is p square by 2 square. So 2 by 7. This is a rational number. Say we are going to find the square of a rational number. That is equal to 2 square by 7 square. Which is equal to square means 2 into 2. 7 square means 7 into 7. Which is equal to 2s are 4. 7 7s are 49. 4 by 49. So, one more example, tell me minus 5 by 8. Can you tell me whether minus 5 by 8 is a rational number? Yes, minus 5 by 8 is a rational number. Set minus 5 the whole square by 8 square. Set. It is equal to minus 5 into minus 5 by 8 into 8. 5 5s are 25. Minus into minus plus 8 8s are 60. Okay, so keep in mind square of a rational number p by q the whole square is p square by square of the numerator by square of the denominator. Okay, square of a rational number is p by q the whole square means p square by q square. Next, we are going to learn one example. So, example 1 in your book, find the square of the following rational numbers. Minus 23 by 4. 1.1 the whole square. Point not 2 the whole square. See how we are going to. Minus 23 by 4. Now only I taught you square. This is a rational number. Set minus 23 by 4 is a rational number. So p by q the whole square is equal to p square by q square. I know you. I taught you. P by q the whole square is p square by q square. That is minus 23 by 4. The whole square can be written as minus 23 square by 4 square. Am I right? Yes. So what is the next step? Minus 23 into minus 23 by 4 into 4. So can you tell me what is minus 23 into minus 23? Multiply and tell me. Minus 23 into 23. 3 3s are 9. 2 3s are 6. 2 3s are 6. 2 2s are 4. 9 12. 520, which is equal to 5. Minus into minus plus is it? 523, 29 by 529 by 16. Okay, minus 23 by 4 means minus 23 by 4 the whole square. That is minus 23 the whole square by 4 square. That is minus 23 into minus 23 by 4 into 4. Okay, minus 23 into 23, 529 minus into minus plus. So plus 529 by 16. See, 1.1 the whole square. 1.1 can be written as 11 by 10. How? Here after the decimal point I have 1. So I put 1.1 by 10, that is equal to 11 by 10. Okay, after the decimal point I have 1 digit. So I put 1 0. So that is equal to 11 by 10 the whole square, which is equal to 11 square by 10 square. Am I right? P by q the whole square is equal to p square by q square. I know 11 square is 121. 11 11s are 121. 10 10s are 100. Okay. 121 by 100. Clear? Next. Point 002. Point 002. How will you find point 002? That is, which is equal to 2 by, after this point, how many zeros? 2 digits. So I put 100. 2 by 100 the whole square. Okay, after this decimal point, we have 2 digits, no? 2 by 100 the whole square, which is equal to 2 square by 100 square. Okay, which is equal to 2 square means 2 into 2 by 100 into 100. Which is equal to 4 by how many zeros? 1, 2, 3, 4 zeros. Okay, 100 into 100 means 10 into 10 means 10 into 10, you know, 10 to 10, 10 tens are 100. 2 zeros. Here 100 into 100, 1, 2, 3, 4 zeros. Now 4 by 1000, how to convert this into decimal numbers? You see this is in decimal number. So this is not, this is in the form of rational. How will you put? 4.1234 1004. Okay, 1 2 3 4 digits are, so 1 2 3 4 0.0004. Okay. Are you clear? Yes. Next, perfect square. Perfect square means a number obtained by multiplying a number itself. What is perfect square? A number obtained by multiplying a number itself. Can you tell some perfect square numbers? 1 is a perfect square. Why? 1 is 1. 4 is a perfect square because 2 2s are 4. 9 is a perfect square because 3 3s are 9. 16 is a perfect square because 4 4s are 16. 25 is a perfect square because 5 5s are 25. 36 is a perfect square. So perfect square means if a number is obtained by multiplying a number itself. Next, what number can I say as perfect square? Can I say 37? No. 49. This is a perfect square because so perfect square is a number that is obtained by multiplying a number itself. Can you say 24 as a perfect square? 6 4s are 24. 4 6 are 24. Whether that number is same? 6 into 4 is equal to 24. 4 into 6 is equal to 24. These two numbers are different. Is it? But 5 into 5 is 25. So these two numbers are same. 3 into 3 is 9. So here 6 into 6 is 36. Okay. 40, can I say perfect square? No, why? 6 8s are 48. 6 8s are 48. These two numbers are different. So I can't say this is a perfect square. 7, 49. 7 into 7 is 49. So I can say this is a perfect square. Okay, next one. 64, 81, 100. Okay. Then 121, 144, 169. It goes on 196, 225. It goes on like that. Okay, these are perfect numbers. Okay, a number that is obtained by multiplying a number silver and a number the same number. That is a perfect square. Numbers that are obtained. Okay. Now we are going to learn prime factorization. Prime factorization. So you know prime factorization. Is it? So we will see how whether the number is a perfect square or not by using prime factorization. So that is example 3 in your book. Check whether the given number are perfect square using prime factorization method. How you will check? See, sometimes you are getting 40. How will you check this is a perfect square? This you know 6. What you have to do is you have to do the prime factorization method. 24, 2, 12, 2, 6, 2, 3. See this pair, this 3 is other. So 48 is not a perfect square. Okay. So we are going to check whether the number is perfect or not. Now I taught you know some perfect numbers 1, 4, 9, 16, 25, 36, 49, 64, 81, etc. But we don't know up to, I can say up to 169, 196, 225 I will say. After that sometimes they will be asking 124. Check ma'am. Can you tell me? So 400. See 400. Can you tell me this is a perfect square? How do I know? 25. At once I will say 5 5s are 25. 64. Whether 64 is a perfect square? Yes, I say 8 8s are 64. 72. I don't know. What I will do? Just I will do the prime factorization method. Okay. So our question is find out whether 400 is a perfect square. So we are going to use prime factorization method. 400, 2, 200. You know prime factorization is 2. Then 2, 50. And again even number 2, 25. So 5, 5 is 25. Prime factorization you all know, sir. So since the last number is 0, I can use 2 or 5 or 10. First we have to go from the lowest prime number. 2 is the lowest even prime number. Okay. 2. So 400 can be written as 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 5 into 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Parent. Any number is left out? No. So I can say 400 is a perfect square. Okay. 400 is a perfect square. Okay. You understand now? So give another number. Shall we learn for another one number? So 232. We are going to check whether 232 is a prime number. 232. Again we are going to follow the same method. 2, 1 2 is 2, 1 2 is 2, 6 2s are 2, right? Here 1 is left now. Again, second table. 5 2s are 10, 1 is left, 8 2s are 16. Prime factorization. This is not 8th standard portion, this is second standard portion. Prime factorization. Again 2. 28 means 9. Is there 29 will go for any other? No. So 232 can be written as 2 into 2 into 2 into 29. So I can pair this. I don't have any pair for 2 and 29. So 2 and 29 has no pair. 2 and 29 has no pair. So I can say 232 is not a perfect square. So if all the numbers occurs in pair, I can say it is a perfect square. If any number is left out without occurring in pair, it is called not perfect. Okay, it's not a perfect square number. Okay. So next example 4. Find the smallest number. So sometimes some numbers, if you multiply by any number, I can say that number will be a perfect square. See, example 4. Find the smallest number by which 702 should be multiplied to get a perfect square. So we are going to see 702. We are going to check whether 702 is a perfect square or not. If it is a perfect square, we can leave it. If it is not a perfect square, we have to find out by which number if you multiply, we will get 702 as a perfect square. So first we will do our method, prime factorization method 2. 3 2s are 6, 5 2s are 10, 1 5, 1 2 is 2. Okay, odd number, so I can't go for 2. Since it is even number, I tried for even number. So this is odd number, so I will try for 3. 1 3 is 3, 1 3 is 3, 7 3s are 20. Again 7 odd number, so I will go for 3. 3 3s are 9, 2 and 3s are 27. Again odd number, so I will go for 3. 1 3 is 3, 3 3s are 9. Okay. 39, 1 3 is 3, 3 3s are 9. 2 3s are 6, 1, so 2 3s are 6, 1 left, 5 2s are 10, okay 1. Again third table 1 3 is 3, 1 3 is 3, 7 3s are 21. Third table 3 3s are 9, 2 left, 9 3s are 27. Again third table 1 3 is 3, 13. Okay, so 7 or 2 can be written as 2 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 13. 2 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 13. So this occurring, so I want one 2, I want one 3, I want one 3. 2 comma 13, 2 comma 3 comma 13 do not have pair. So multiply 702 by, so what is 2 into 3 into 13? 2 3s are 6. 2 into 3 into 13 how much ma? 2 3s are 6, 13. 6 3s are 18, 17. So we have to multiply, so multiply 702 by 78 to make a perfect square. Okay. So multiply 702 by 78 to make a perfect square. Okay. So remaining we will be seeing in the next class. Thank you students.